Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's recipe is Waterleaf soup. This soup is one of the most underrated soups in Nigeria, but it's delicious if cooked just the right way and packed with so many nutrients and health benefits. Let's get started. But before we dig right into it, kindly subscribe to my channel if you're yet to. Please help me grow this channel. Thank you very much. First, I'm going to cook my meat by seasoning with salt, bouillon and onions. I'm going to give that a good mix, then cover and allow to cook until tender. Next, I'm going to get the water leaves and remove the unnecessary parts, including this purple flower. Then I'm going to wash them thoroughly with water and proceed to chop them. You can chop your veggies according to your preference. I like mine tiny, so I always make sure to chop them into tiny bits. Next, I'm going to give the veggies another round of washing. Then I'm going to transfer them into a strainer and allow them to drain for at least 30 minutes so that the excess water can drain completely before I cook them. Here is the pepper mix that I'm going to be using. It's just like making the regular efforiro. I'm going to be using bell peppers, scotch bonnet and chili. I'm going to transfer this into my chopper and roughly chop them. Into a pan or pot, I'm going to add some palm oil and allow it to heat up a bit before going in with some chopped onions and locust beans. And I'm going to fry this on low heat for a minute. Next, I'm going to add the pepper mix, then give that a good mix and allow it to fry for 3 minutes before going in with salt, bouillon and crayfish powder. Please do well to check the description box for a full list of ingredients. Give that a very good mix and cover and allow to fry on low heat while stirring occasionally to avoid burning. Once oil has started floating on the pepper, it's time to go in with our protein. Adding meat, smoked or dried fish, pomo and little beef stock. Very little beef stock. Then stir to combine. Cover again and simmer on low heat until the pepper is well fried. Please ensure your pepper is well fried because the more you fry, the better the taste of your soup. This actually took me around 15 minutes. If you haven't been frying your pepper while making vegetable soup until now, this is a sign for you to start frying your pepper very well before adding your vegetable into the pepper. Lastly, I'm going to add water leaves into the pot and carefully mix them all together. Allow this to simmer for a minute or two before taking it off the heat. This recipe is actually a very underrated one, but it's that soup that you end up falling in love with the more you try it. Like I said earlier, it's full of health benefit and packed with nutrients. So guys, let me know, would you be trying this? Let me know in the comment section. And oh, did I mention how versatile this soup is? It's so versatile. There you have it, very delicious water leaf soup. What are you pairing this with? Let me know in the comment section. Please don't forget to like this video, comment, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching today's video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.